Namaskar, welcome to India Meteorological Department. I am Shobhit Katiyar from National Weather Forecasting Center. Today I will present the weekly weather review and weather forecast for the next 2 weeks. So in the last week we have seen there were the cold wave conditions, cold day conditions as well as the dense to very dense fog was prevailing over the plains of northwest India. And now in the upcoming weeks we are expecting a drastic change in the weather pattern over the entire country. So if you look into the major synoptic systems in the last week, we have two WD which affects the western Himalayan region. First WD affect 24th and 25th December over the northern parts of the Jammu and Kashmir, and another WD effect during the 27th to 29th December, and another we had a low pressure area over southeast Arabian Sea in adjoining equatorial Arabian Sea on 24th December, which slightly moved westward and weakened gradually into a cyclonic circulation. And another we have a cyclonic circulation which developed over the Malaya Peninsula and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal on 24th of December, and which again moved slightly westward towards the Sri Lanka coast, and which reached the Sri Lanka coast by 29th December, and it became the less mark on 29th. And along with that we also had a induced cyclonic circulation over the South Rajasthan and another cyclonic circulation over the East Bangladesh during the week. And this is the 3-hourly satellite image of the past week. So it is very clearly visible that they are the cloud patches which are developing over the southeast Bay of Bengal because of the cyclonic circulation over the region, and these cloud pads are moving slightly westwards towards the Sri Lanka coast, and another some cloud patches are over the Arabian Sea, that is because of the low pressure and cyclonic circulation over southeast Arabian Sea. And another one, we have the cloud patches, basically moderate to intense convection over the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and adjoining Uttarakhand over the week, and these clouds are because of the western disturbance in the last week. And this is the rainfall, observed rainfall based on the GFS. And in the last week, basically cold day conditions were prevailing over the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and adjoining parts of the West UP, East Rajasthan as well as the Northwest MP. And in the last week, the lowest minimum temperature of minus 1.5 degrees centigrade was observed over the Churu in the West Rajasthan. And this is the observed fog in the last week. So this is the satellite imagery, and these white color patches is basically the fog over the North Indian plains. So it is very clearly visible that entire we had a fog sheet starting from the Pakistan and up to the central UP. So it is very clearly seen that we had the dense to very dense fog conditions over the West UP and dense fog over the Haryana, Delhi as well as the Punjab in the last week. And this is the observed cold wave to severe cold wave conditions over the northern plains in the last week. And this is our new GIS based product of IMD from this season. So in this product we can see the observed minimum temperature as well as the maximum temperature, and in which station the cold day or severe cold day conditions has been observed. So it is available in the IMD's website. So in the previous week, basically the cold day to severe cold day conditions were observed over the Punjab, Haryana, West UP, North Rajasthan and obviously some parts of the adjoining West MP and some parts of the Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu division. And if we look into the today's main synoptic feature, so today we have one cyclonic circulation over the West Rajasthan and another WD we have over the Pakistan and adjoining Jammu and Kashmir, and this is the 5 days weather warning for entire country. So today, this is the 31st, we can see that we have given the orange color warning over the northern plains including Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, UP, because we are expecting the cold wave and cold day to severe cold day conditions over northern plains, that and cold wave conditions will prevail over these regions during next 48 hours, and cold day conditions will prevail over the northern parts of the country during next 3 to 4 days. And from 2nd of January, we will get the relief from the cold wave as well as the cold day conditions from the most part of the North India. And from 2nd January night onwards, we are expecting some wet spells over the northern parts and adjoining central India. So this is the warning for the 3rd of January. So in 3rd January, we are expecting some light to moderate rain along with the moderate thunderstorm, lightning over the East Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, West UP and Northwest MP. And on 4th of January, we are expecting the thunderstorm, lightning and hail at isolated places over the Punjab, Haryana, West UP and West Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir also. So this is the GFS based rainfall product and wind pattern at 1.5 km above mean sea level. So this is very clearly seen that we are expecting some rainfall over the northwest India and adjoining central India and western Himalayan region. So it can be seen clearly. And this is the rainfall forecast for the upcoming 2 weeks. So this is rainfall forecast for the week 1, that is from the 1st of January to 7th January, and this is the rainfall anomaly. So in this anomaly, as I have told, we are expecting some above normal rainfall activity over the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, and West UP and Rajasthan and Northwest MP, because of which we are also expecting some light to moderate thunderstorm and lightning and hail. And in the week 2, we are expecting the above normal rainfall over the parts of the central India and south peninsular India as well. And this is the minimum temperature trend for the upcoming next 2 weeks. So this is the minimum temperature for week 1, this is the minimum temperature for week 2, and this is the minimum temperature anomaly for both the weeks. So it can be seen from this anomaly part that we are expecting the above normal minimum temperature over the central India and adjoining northern plains, because we are expecting the precipitation during the first week. So minimum temperature will rise, and below normal temperature over the eastern India because of the clear sky. We are expecting the minimum temperature below normal in both the weeks, week 1 and week 2. And if you look into the maximum temperature anomaly, again in the eastern parts of the country as well as the Jammu Kashmir region, we are expecting the above normal maximum temperature in both the weeks because of the clear sky conditions, because we are not expecting any rain over that part, and all the other parts we are expecting the below normal maximum temperature. And if you look into the cyclonegenesis probability, means we are not expecting any tropical cyclones over North Indian Ocean region in the upcoming 2 weeks. So this is a very good news for the fisherman. And forecast summary for the week 1, as I have told, a fresh western disturbance is very likely to affect western Himalayan region from 3rd to 6th of January, because of which we are very likely to get the light to moderate rainfall along with the thunderstorm, lightning and hailstorm at isolated places over the region, and the peak intensity will be during 4th and 5th of January. And similarly, we are because of the interaction between the upcoming WD and lower level easterlies from the Bay of Bengal, we will also receive the light to moderate rainfall over the northwest India and adjoining central India from 2nd of January to 5th of January, along with the light to moderate thunderstorm, lightning and hailstorm over 1 or 2 places. And under the prevailing cold wave conditions, the cold wave conditions which are prevailing over the northwest India since the last 1 week, will get relief from the cold wave, means from tomorrow onwards. And because of the southerly winds, that is the warmer winds, are coming to the North India and adjoining central India, so the minimum temperature will rise by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade over the North India and central India in the upcoming 3-4 days, and because of which cold wave conditions will be await from the region. And similarly, the uh, minimum temperature will fall by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade after 6 January, and maximum temperature will rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade after 6 January. It means during from the 2nd of January to 6th of January, we are expecting the rainfall over the North India, adjoining Central India and North Western Himalaya region, and thunderstorm, lightning and hail. And temperature will rise. We will get the relief from the cold wave. We will get the relief from the cold day conditions over most part of the North India, as well as we will get the relief from the fog also for the upcoming 4-5 days. And if you look into the week 2, in the week 2 we are not expecting any very active western disturbance, because of which western Himalayan region very likely to get the normal to below normal rainfall, and along with this the south peninsular India will get the normal to above normal rainfall that will continue, and the minimum temperature will be below normal by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over most parts of the country except northeast and south peninsular India. And we are also cold day to severe cold day conditions are likely over the parts of North India in the week 2, that is from the 7th to 14th January, and maximum temperature will be above normal by 3 to 4 degrees centigrade over parts of East India and Western Himalaya region, and normal to below normal in the remaining part of the country. So thank you for your patience, and if you want the location specific forecast, then you can download the Mausam app. If you want the lightning alert for your region, then you can download the Damini app. And similarly for the agro advisory, you can download the Magdut app, and you can find out the weather bulletins from the IMD website. The address is given here, and wish you a very happy new year, and thank you.